In this video, you'll learn a beginner tap dance combination to the song Dance the Night by Dua Lipa. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Be sure to watch all the way through so you can get my free guide to the 3 biggest mistakes that beginner tap dancers make. And one of those can do damage to your knees, your ankles, and your back, so you don't want to miss that. All right, let's jump right in, shall we? All right, so we're going to hold 1, do heels into snap on 2, hold 3, heels into snap on 4, hold 5, heels into snap on 6, and hold heels into snap on 8. So from the top, it goes like this. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, step out on your right foot and drag your left. Drag, step, 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 stamp. I'm going to do that part again. I'm putting all my weight on that right foot and dragging my left foot, and then step, 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 stamp. Let's put that together from the top. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's our rhythm for that part. Let's do that one more time. 6, ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. From here, starting with the left foot, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. And I'm reaching those arms up and out. Arm work is optional, but I'm going to do them. So if you want to do the arms too, feel free to join me. Again, that last part, starting on the left foot, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. I am crossing that right foot to the back first. I'll do it one more time. 6, ready, go. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Super. Let's go from top. 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And from here, stamp, clap, clap, shuffle, ball, change. Stamp, clap, clap, shuffle, ball, change. I'll do that all again. 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. From there, starting with your left foot, step, heel, touch, step, heel, touch. I'll do that again. Ready, go. Step, heel, touch, step, heel, touch. Followed by stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, step, clap, clap. I'm going to do that one again. That's stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, step, clap, clap. Let's go back and connect it from stamp, clap, clap, shuffle, ball, change, nice and slow. 6, left foot leads. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 7, and 8. I'm a little late on my class. Let's do that again for me. 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 7, and 8. Super! Let's speed it up just a little bit. 6, ready, go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 7, and 8. Super, my friends. Let's take it back from the top. 6, ready, go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 7, and 8. Yeah, the last part's the fastest part. You get that down, the rest should be pretty easy. Let's try it again from the top. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 7, and 8. I'm going to go on from here. Dig, step, 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 clunk, step. And that's going to go with the music. On that clunk, you're going to hear an accent in the music when we go out. Let's try it again. Ready, go. Dig, step, 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 clunk, step. Now do the left foot. Dig, step, 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 clunk, step. I'll do that left side again. Ready, go. Dig, step, 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 clunk, step. Beautiful. Let's try right and left sides of that new part. 6, ready, go. Dig, step, 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 clunk, step. Dig, step, 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 clunk, step. When I do that clunk out here, I'm not putting my weight on that clunk. I'm leaving my weight on the other leg, so it's super easy to pick up the foot and step it in. We'll try that again. 6, ready, go. Dig, step, 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 clunk, step. Dig, step, 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 clunk, step. From here, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. And I'm just doing my hands like windshield wipers, right? So again, that's heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Now we're going to do a part we did earlier, but we're doing it on the right foot, and that is stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, step, clap, clap. So it's that same pattern, but now we're doing it on the right foot. So that goes stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, step, clap, clap. Again, 5, 6, ready, go. Stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, step, clap, clap. Now connect it with the heel, heel, toe right before it. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. Let's do that again. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. Congratulations, now you know the entire combination all the way through. Let's rewind and connect some pieces together. I want to go back to stamp, clap, clap, shuffle, ball, change. 6, ready, go. Stamp, clap, clap, shuffle, ball, change. Stamp, clap, clap, shuffle, ball, change. Step, heel, touch. Step, heel, touch. Stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, step, clap, clap. Then we did dig, step, 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 clunk and step. Dig, step, 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 clunk and step. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe. Stamp, step, stamp, step, stamp, step, clap, clap. Now don't worry if you had trouble connecting those pieces together. That's totally normal. We're going to run all of that again so you get used to connecting them. Okay? Same spot. Stamp, clap, clap, shuffle, ball change. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. Super! We're going to go back to the top and connect this all the way through. We're almost to music, so hang in there. We're almost to music. 5, 6, beginning. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. Super, my friends. Let's roll it one more time. Then we'll give it a shot with the music, probably a little under tempo. You got this. Top, 6, ready, go, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 7 and 8. Beautiful. Again, this is a combination to the song Dance the Night by Dua Lipa. We're starting at the very beginning of the song. While I have you here, I want to tell you about that free guide to the biggest 3 mistakes that beginner tap dancers make. And like I said, one of them will damage your knees and your ankles and your back. The guide is totally free. There's a link in the description below. Go ahead and click on that. I'll give you a second to do that right now. And while you're there, if you can leave a comment, hit the thumbs up, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, we'd really appreciate that. So I'll give you a second to do that right now as well. Awesome. Thank you so much. So we're going to try it with the song. Let's see how we are at real speed. All right, here we go. Rolling. Tempo. Hopefully you're hearing those accents. Da 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 ha ha. Those clap accents are in the music, and that's in the music. Let's roll it again. Let's do it a few more times. You can really enjoy it. Here we go. From the top, rolling. Beautiful! A couple more times, my friends. Here we go. Having fun. My friends, one more time. Here we go. You got this. Rolling. My friends, I'm going to do it one more time facing you. You're not expected to do it with me because I'll be going this way when you're going this way. It's just so you can see what it looks like from the front. Beautiful. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, hit that like, subscribe, notification bell, and take a moment to drop a comment down below. Anything helps. I'll give you a second to do it. Thank you so much. Also, don't forget to get that free guide, The 3 Biggest Mistakes That Beginner Tap Dancers Make. It's totally free. This is an easy way to avoid those, keep your body safe, and make tap dancing as easy and fun as possible. Also at UnitedTaps.com, we have so much content. If you enjoyed this, we've got huge collections of combinations, full lessons, across the floor combinations, tap dictionary, choreography, just a little bit of everything. We've got workouts. You name it, if it has to do with tap dance, you can find it at UnitedTaps.com. I think you'll find a lot of stuff that you have a good time with. So thank you for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, helping you be happier and healthier through tap dance.